and thanks for watching the last Daily Flake Snow Report for the season, and what a day to finish up on. I must admit, when I woke up this morning I wasn't that excited, but when we got out on the hill and the clouds cleared up, I knew we were in for something pretty special. So we checked the avalanche information and it gave us the all clear, so we joined the line of ants and made our way up the peak where the views were just spectacular. Mount Yote was shining in all his glory and the 360-degree views of the mountain range were just breathtaking. We were very keen to find our very own patch of fresh, so we slipped off the backside into what I like to call the magic forest. It's a bit of a secret spot, so I'm not going to tell you too much, but basically we had it all to ourselves. The snow was only boot deep, but it was nice and dry and you could only just feel the crust underneath in a couple of places. It was definitely a lot of fun and one of those days that make you happy to be a skier in Niseko. Around the other resort, thanks to snowinsurance.com.au, and there was no new snow at Honshu overnight, and at Hakuba it was a mostly overcast day with temperatures sitting above zero, so the lower slopes did get pretty soft. Conditions were pretty similar at both Nozawa Onsen and Shigekogen. It looks like snowfalls down there should start on Saturday. March is certainly off to a great start and it looks like it's going to get even better. We should see some heavier snowfalls tonight, and then next week is looking very cold and snowy as well. But as I said, this is our last snow report, so I should say a massive thanks to everyone who's been watching us, and also a big thanks to our supporters, the North Face, snowinsurance.com.au and the guys at Rhythm Snow Sports. We will be doing a wrap-up report tomorrow so you can watch some of the best footage we've got throughout the season, so make sure you check it out. I'm Christy in Niseko for the Daily Flake.